It should run upload for integrated connectors. Feed upload is default. Upload directory means the moment I uploaded, all the data will be updated. Oh, okay, the tenant name should be updated. So in this case, let's say we have support or 0 to whatever we should. Your company might be called as your company's ID. Yeah, whatever elements they are used. Just like that. You will see everything how it works. So how the connectors work. It happens. What HRIA system? What is HRIA system? Whatever system you are using right now, okay, it can be successful. Employee Central Oracle Workday, anything that you are using right now. What happens? It sends the information to BISX. Employee Data Import. BISX is what? Whatever system you are going to use. Okay, are you using for that? This BISX employee data import is converted into FTP, which is File Transfer Protocol. So this is a place where you save all the information in the provisioning. You define it and then all the details are propagated to LMS connector. And LMS connector actually finds it and updates it in the LMS. Okay, this is how it works. There is a job that should do in the provisioning. If you remember, in the very beginning I showed you in the manage schedule, we should do the job. The job we started should do, the connector. LMS connector picks up the file, processes the file and archive and update that in the LMS itself. So this is the background information or background story that runs in order to update any information or data. Export specific user from BISX to LMS. Let's say we have thousands of employees. You already shared all the details, but there is one employee for whom we want to do some specific data, like mostly for MD or high-level executive people. Okay, we generally do these big changes in the system. So what are the role, permission that we will assign, as I just explained you? All these things you have to troubleshoot. Okay, this is very important. Transformation rule means how you want to send the LMS details to success. If there are rules, like I said for an example. If I hire somebody in Singapore time zone, automatically Singapore location, automatically his or her location time zone should be changed to Singapore time zone. Second, all the mandatory trainings which are attached to this location will be assigned to you. We do all these settings in the system itself. Oh, okay, got it. C, especially helps with your address mismatch, like location and all. One example, out-of-box configuration coming and oh sorry. I'll help to address mismatch. Okay, so this is one that is very important, but this will take little time.